So being at WITT and having the work placement's been a good mix of theory and practical in real life.
We've had an awesome year at WITT. We made this pretty impressive trailer. I've always liked engineering, my family's really involved with it. We go to Speedway and...
We're really proud to have formed a partnership with the Engineering Taranaki Consortium and WITT. This allows us to create a clear pathway for students to gain level 3 qualifications so that they can pursue engineering. Engineering is a critical skill set in Taranaki, and we want to make sure that we've got good young people coming through and they enjoy what they get to do.
Some of the cool stuff I've done at Rivet is make a letterbox and help make a boardroom table. I've been working with Rebecca, who's another female apprentice here. It's helped me see the difference between light fabrication and heavy fabrication. So the great thing about this program is I can do practical, hands-on, but at the same time still be at school.
I started out with 2 work placements. One was at Logicams in the start of the year, which was like design office, and now I've gone to Fitch and they've offered me an apprenticeship there.
If people are interested, want to know more about it, we have a fantastic secondary tertiary pathways team and they can guide you through what you need to know. It's free to secondary school students, which is wonderful, and it really does give you those building blocks to an apprenticeship in the engineering industry and trade. Get in there, don't miss out, it's going to be a really sought after program.